What's good, world? This is Crypto Mill the Crypto Trapper, and today's video is how to make a MetaMask account. Let's go. Now, like we always do about this time, I want to remind you that the following is not financial advice, and it's for educational purposes only. Now, the first thing you want to do is search for MetaMask in your search engine. At the time of this recording, it had a .io address. When you visit the official website, it'll give you the option to download now. Select that, and there will be an option for Chrome if you're on a desktop, iOS, or Android. For this video, we're going to choose iOS. We'll be directed to the App Store, where we select Get to get the app. Go through our verification stuff, and once the app is downloaded, select Open. Click Get Started, and you'll be taken to a wallet setup page. Select Create a new wallet. Next step, run your data. Agree to share your data, or not. For this video, we'll agree and be taken to a password creation page. Create and confirm a password at least 8 characters in length. Then select a box that says, you understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for you. Message. Next step, secure your wallet. Get ready to write down your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Keep this phrase stored somewhere secure. Click Start and be taken to the secret backup phrase page. Click the locked, grayed out area, and you'll be given a 12-word phrase to write down in order. And that's it. Welcome to your new MetaMask wallet and browser. Feel free to take the tour, where they show you how to use various features on the app, like renaming accounts, the main navigation tab, and how to access the browser, which is helpful for checking out Web3 sites. This page also features a search field, and as you may have seen in one of my previous videos, you can also click the 3 dots in the bottom right corner and change networks. You can open multiple tabs as well. When you visit Web3 sites, you'll often be asked to give permission for MetaMask to connect. Once you give permission, you'll be connected and you can interact with the sites and apps using MetaMask as your wallet. And that's it. I'd like to thank you for watching. If you find value in this video, I'd also like to ask you to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check for any affiliate links in the description. And until next time, I wish you prosperity in all of your cryptocurrency adventures. This is Crypto Mill, and you already know, crypto is lit, bro.